Hello, and welcome back to another model airplane review. This is the Gemini Jets 1/200 scale diecast Qantas Airlines Boeing 737-800 with its new livery, so stay tuned. The Qantas Boeing 737-800 with its new livery. Registration, Victor Hotel Victor Zulu India, 1/200 scale diecast from Gemini Jets. This specific plane or registration, I'm not sure when it was converted to its new livery. I do know the first one, the first 737-800 that was converted to its new livery for Qantas, registration was Victor Hotel Victor X-Ray Mike, which was back in July of 2017. So this one here, I'm not sure exactly when it's converted, but just the model itself, I gotta say, I'm really liking what I'm seeing. Good detail on it. This one does have the removable landing gears, and as you can see right now, I have it displayed on its tripod. Later on in the video, I'll show you displayed without the landing gears. So yeah, so far it looks pretty good. So let's get right into it and show you a closer look. Starting at the front nose of the plane on the left side, just gonna go around. So there you have it, the Gemini Jets 1/200 scale diecast Qantas Airlines Boeing 737-800 with its new livery. Overall, I think there's a really good diecast model airplane from Gemini Jets. I think they did a really good job with the new Qantas livery and good detail on this plane. I like that it does have removable landing gears with the rolling rubber tires, and the nose gear having the jewel to replicate that taxi light. I really like that. I just feel it just adds that extra realism to the plane. So overall, really good detail on this plane. If you are a big Qantas fan, I definitely think you should add this to your collection, or just in general, you know, just to your model collection. I think it makes a great addition, so definitely recommend it. So I really hope this video has helped, and if you did enjoy it, please don't forget to give it a like. And you know, once again, if you are new to the channel, you know, please don't forget to subscribe if you do enjoy what you're watching. And you know, by all means, if you have any questions or feedbacks, let me know in the comments below. So once again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, thank you for watching and take care.